Nina bakadlothovu kabhekeki ufana nemisebe yelanga udlothovu njengebhube silibumbene lesikhombisa ihora mbukeli nazi indaba wena woza nendlebe mina ngoza nendaba angihlale kuzona ithonto naze ihamba phambili kusihlwa nje.
Over the next 5 years we will be putting further programs in place to reduce poverty.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usenxuse ababambisene ekhulumeni wobumbano ukuba bakhombise ngezenzo ukuthi lesi isikhathi sohulumeni obambisene.
We cannot really let the residents of this 3 metros down because of our own personal beliefs.
I-action esayimemezele ukuthi isizovota kanye ne-ANC edolobheni iGoli uma leli qembu livuma ukukhipha ilungu le-Al-Jamaa uKabelo Gwamanda njengemeya lomkhandlu.
The tournament in US, it's an opportunity for us as a team to go and see how far are we in terms of the standard of women's football in Africa as a whole when you compare with other continents.
Iqembu labesifazane kuMamelodi Sundowns lizofika liyomela izwekazi Africa emqhudelanweni iWomen's Cup ezobanjwa ngenyanga ezayo. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usenxuse ababambisene ekhulumeni wobumbano ukuba bakhombise ngezenzo ukuthi lesi isikhathi sohulumeni obambisene.
Umengameli uthi izinto eziseqhulwini kuleli ihlandla lesikhombisa zibandakanya ukuqeda nya ububha nendlala, ukuqinisekisa ezenhlala kahle, imfundo esezingeni eliphezulu, amanzi asesimweni nokuthutha kwendle, ukubhekana nesimo sokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu kanye nokuqinisekisa ukuthi kwakhiwe izikhungo eziqinile zobulungiswa.
60% of our national budget, as we know, is spent on the social wage and programs vital to reducing poverty and supporting the poor.
Uqinisekisa ukuthi izakhamuzi isesimweni esihle kwezempilo, uRamaphosa uthi umsebenzi omqoka kahulumeni eminyakeni emihlanu ezayo kuzobe uqinisekisa ukuthi akubi nanqinamba ukuthola usizo lwezempilo oluseqophelweni eliphezulu kuwo wonke umuntu.
We are unwavering in our commitment to implement universal health coverage in a manner that brings all South Africans on board.
Mengameli uthi imizi ebalelwe emaphesenti angama-80 kuleli isebenzisa umpompi kanti futhi ngamaphesenti angama-70 nomuvo inezindlu zangasese isesimweni esihle bese kuthi ngamaphesenti angama-94 inogesi.
Minister Tlabisa's determination that all municipalities receive the necessary administrative, technical and financial support for them to be viable and stable.
Owengameli izuthi ukuze licebe izwe futhi namathuba ebengangobaba elakuleli kuzofanele lithuthuke futhi lilwele ukuba udlondlobalo umnotho kuzo zonke inhlaka. Mengameli uphinde wathi ukufukulwa kwembokodo kwezomnotho kuzobekwe eqhulwini.
Kusenjalo umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uphinde wagcizelela phambi kweParliament Africa ivumelana ngokuphelele nenkantolo yezobulungiswa emhlabeni ukuthela kwaIsrael kufanele likumise ngokusheshsha ukugasela kwalo ezizindeni zasePalestina.
This latest ruling indicates is that international momentum against Israel's continued violations of the rights of the Palestinian people is growing.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi iNingizimu Afrika ayigudluke kwesekeni kwayo abantu basePalestina. Wengeze ngelo ukuthi isinqumo sakamuva senkantolo yezobulungiswa emhlabeni yisikhumbuzo sokuthi lakwaIsrael liyaqhubeka nokwephula umthetho wamazwe omhlaba ngokugasela ezina.
Just as our struggle for national liberation was eventually won with steady victories, so too will the quest for Palestine statehood be ultimately realized. We will continue to pursue progressive internationalism and advance principled solidarity. Our own history and experience demands no less of us.
Odabeni lwembango yezimpi esiqhubeka kumazwe athile alapha eAfrika, umengameli Ramaphosa uqhakambisa igalelo lombutho wezokuvikela iSANDF.
We have deployed members of the South African National Defence Force to support the UN the AU and SADC peacekeeping missions in several parts of our continent.
Ngaphansi kahulumeni omusha wobumbano umengameli ubalule nokuthi ngeke kube noguquko olungako ngokwemigomo yezwe maqondana nezithinta ukuxhumana namazwe omhlaba.
Sibuyele esigcawini namhlanje senthini eGoli isithangami sokulalelwa kodaba lakamehlulelo samisiwe esikhundleni uNana Makhubele. uMakhubele uyithole kulesithangami nje ingoba kwaba nesikhalo safakwa inhlangano ezimele iUnite Behind ngo2017 ngelokuthi wephula umthetho ngokwengamela kwakhe isikhundla sikasihlalo webhodi lePrasa aphinda athatha isikhundla njengomeli.
Sesibheke ngasemaphethelweni isithangami sezokwahlulela esiqula udaba lwejaji uNana Makhubele njengoba izinhlangothi zombili sezize esigabeni sokwenza izethulo zokugcina. Ithimba elihola ubufakazi bethangami liveze izethulo zalo zamaphuzu kuyiwona abafuna ngawo lesi sigcawu singamhlozi uMakhubele njengofakazi ogculisayo.
It is our respectful submission, and fortunately we are compelled to make this submission. Judge Makhubele was a thoroughly unsatisfactory witness. She would have this tribunal believe that it was not a foregone conclusion that once the Judicial Service Commission had made a recommendation, she was destined to be appointed permanently as a judge of the High Court.
Ijaji selathatha umhlala phansi uAhmad Yapi ohola ukuhlala kwesigcawu sikaMakhubele. Nombuzo ukuthi kuni ijaji kungosuku eliqokwa ngalo noma kungosuku elifungiswa ngalo.
Does a person become a judge? Does a person become a judge on the appointment of by the president, or does the person become a judge only when they take the oath? What's the difference and why?
So you become a judge on appointment because that's what the Constitution says. It says the president appoints as a judicial officer. And then it says a judge must take the oath before you can perform your judicial duties. And so you must be a judge before you even can take the oath. If you try to take the oath before you've received an appointment, that's not a valid oath. It has no effect. It has no consequence.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa ijaji uMakhubele enze izethulo zakhe phambi kwesigcawu esihlalele udaba lwakhe.
I-Action SA imemezela ukuthi isizovota kanye ne-ANC edolobheni iGoli uma leli qembu livuma ukukhipha ilungu le-Al-Jamaa uKabelo Gwamanda njengemeya lomkhandlu.
Thing like that happens, I'd rather actually step aside and allow someone else to run because I can't be expected to work with the ANC.
Ngaphambi kokhetho lukazwelonke umholi weqembu wafunga wagomela ukuthi i-Action SA angeke isebenzisane ne-ANC esifundazweni iGauteng. Kepha-ke ngemva komhlangano obungempela sonto esibuya kuyo, leli qembu liguqukile esinqumeni salo ngenhloso yokubeka eqhulwini izifiso zabantu besifundazwe.
During the period of the engagement with our structures, it really emerged an opportunity emerged where our structures said, guys, please, we cannot really let the residents of these three metros down because of our own personal beliefs and values.
Phakathi kwemibandela ngalesivumelwano ukuthi kukhonjwe indlela yemeya yaseGoli uKabelo Gwamanda bese kuchithwe nemali engama200 yamarandi ekhokhwa uma kuthengwa ugesi. Ngaphezulu kwalokho leli qembu lifuna isikhundla sikasomlomo kumasipala abathathu.
We wanted the removal of the current mayor. There's just no way we can honestly in a good state said to our residents that we are happy with the current mayor. As Michael has also indicated, including our caucus leader, we want the withdrawal of this 200 rands electricity charge by City Power. Completely unfair.
I-Action SA iphinde yagcizelela ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ingene kuhulumeni wobumbano kazwelonke.
Mbukelo sasiqhwa itolo kanti manje sibuya sizophathela udaba oluthi.
It is confirmed in terms of the exhibit that the request was made in respect of people that were in the house.
Ummeli womsola uqala uadvocate Thulani Mngomezi lecaleni lokubulala ushaya amakhala ngofakazi obethulwa ngaphambi kwenkantolo. Asikubongela sikwamukele embukeli uma usanda kungena odabeni oluhamba phambili besibike ukuthi uMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa usenxuse ababambisene ekhulumeni obumbano ukuthi bakhombise ngezenzo ukuthi lesi isikhathi sohulumeni obambisene. Asikhumbuze ke mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba oyibukayo ikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani ngiyakuthembisa uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Ummeli womsolwa wokuqala uadvocate Thulani Mngomezulu ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa ushaya amakhala ngofakazi obethulwa ngaphambi kwenkantolo lokho kuzemva ukuthi isiphathimandla sakwa Vodacom uPinky Veitelingham ecele amakhalikhukhwini abayishagalombili babantu ababehleli noMeyiwa ngosuku lwesigameko.
Inkantolo iqhubekile nokulalela ubufakazi obethulwa ufakazi wombuso isiphathimandla sakwa Vodacom uPinky Veitelingham. Uadvocate Thulani Mngomezulu usola umbuso ngokukhetha iphela emasine ngobufakazi obethulwe enkantolo. Mngomezulu uthi ubufakazi ababehleli noSenzo ngesikhathi sesigameko ekubeni kwacelwa nomakhalikhukhwini kaNkosikazi kaMeyiwa kodwa abukho ubufakazi obubhekiswe kuyena.
In terms of the exhibit that the request was made in respect of people that were in the house.
Yes, it did state so.
And your evidence is only limited to 3 people that were in the house.
Yes.
Akugcina ngalapho uadvocate Mngomezulu uqhube wathi akulungile ukukhetha ubufakazi.
There is a confession which was accepted in this court. And that confession, it deals with a communication between accused number 3 and Kelly Khumalo.
Mngomezulu uphikise ngokuthi awekho amarekhodi okuxhumana phakathi komsolo wesithathu uMthobisi Mncube njengokusho kombuso ubongani Ntanzi wavuma ukuthi uKelly Khumalo wafonela uMncube.
From 5 p.m. until just after 21:15 on the 26th of October, any communication between 8169 and 435.
Icala liyaqhubeka kusasa.
Umndeni womfundi odutshulo wabulawa esifundazweni eMpumalanga kulempela sonto udinga ubulungiswa. Lesigameko senzeke ngesikhathi kunomcimbi wabafundi abafikayo esikhungweni semfundo ephakeme iBarberton TVET College.
Lebhisha oneminyaka ama-23 ubudala washonela lapha. Lo mfundi obenza isifundo zobunjiniyela wadutshulwa washona ngokwesilisa okubeka ukuthi ubemazi. Ugogo kaBhisha uZodwa Sibande usola lesikhungo ngokungabi neqiniso ngokwenzekile.
Ngilemele emoyeni. Lo futhi lokho ngilimate kakhulu emoyeni. Kuthi ngithi ngidocleana lapha adubuleke khona phakathi esikolweni. After that sekuba nemagama lathi udubuleke ngaphandle. Kanye udubuleke ngakhathi. Kube bekadubuleke ngaphandle ngabangangibitwanga ukuthi ngidocleana la esikolweni.
uSibande ufuna ubulungiswa.
Mina bengifuna kubona umthetho udlala inzima yawo. Uma ngabe umsebenzi umthetho la eSouth Africa usebenza ngicela kuubona kimi kwendeka.
Kuboshwe umsola oneminyaka ama-24 ubudala ngokubulawa kukaBhisha.
Munye wala bahlukunyedwa ukhululiwe noma uphumile esibhedlela munye usasele. Kubese ke kuvula icala ukubulala kanye namahlandla amabili okwetama ukubulala. Emaphoyisa bese ke ayaphenya babopha lo msolwa ngolomgcibelo lo. Utawuvela eKhoto una 24 weminyaka utawuvela eKhoto ngolwesibili eBarberton.
Ikolishi iBarberton TVET linqabile ukuphawula ngalolu daba. Labafundi ababili abalimele sebekhishiwe esibhedlela.
Owengamele zolimo esifundazweni Eastern Cape uNonceba Kontsiwe uthi umnyango uyaqhubeka nokusebenza kanzima ekulweni nesifo selimfuyo kulesi sifundazwe.
Ba ukuthintela ukunwenwa kwesisifo ukuzothi ganguku zinkomo eziyi-38,000 ezichaphazelwe sesisifo nalapho kugonywe inkomo ezingapha yakwe 26,000.
Ba ogqirha bezilwanyana besebe oko bafikayo ukuqala kwesisifo apha ngempela nyanga kaApril ba on site and bayasicacisela ukuba ukuba izilwanyana zityi xa bebezitrita noko azityi nje for iintsuku ezimbini nezintathu emveni koko zitye ilishwa kukuba azityi ngendlela eqhelekileyo.
Ukanti kumiswe ngxini entshukumo zeenkomo ngenzame zokunciphisa ukunwenwa kwesifo.
Sawukhumbula uba isifo se-FMD sisifo esisulela ngosondelelana. So ithuba loba zisondelelane kwifama ezilapha ngenxa yemeko yofuya makhulu nomathuba lawo.
Amafama athi amandla emva kokuqhambuka kwesi sifo.
We would like to see the urgency regarding a foot and mouth abattoir. We need one in our area. I think the only one available in the country is in Limpopo. So for the short term, definitely we will start off with the abattoir.
Ukanti amafama ayabongozwa ukuba athobele imithetho emiselwe lisebe ngokuqubisana nesifo. Kwindaba ze-SABC ngulwando nomoyi ndise-Humansdorp.
Njengoba nje elakuleli libhekene nenkinga yokwenyuka kwentengo yogesi, abawusebenzisayo lo gesi bakhongathekile, kodwa ke ongoti basamile ekutheni iningi indlela zokubhekana nalenqinamba futhi sebenxuse abathengi ukuthi bazama ukuyijwayeza imigudu yakamuva yokonga ugesi.
Njengoba nje lakuleli lithwele uthela kunomoya kwezomnotho nezinga leindleko lisesicongweni, izakhamuzi zithi ukukhuphuka kwamanani ogesi kuvele kwenza izinto zabanzima kakhulu. eTshwane izakhamuzi ikhokhela ugesi ngamaphesenti ayi12 angeziwe, kanti eGoli ziwukhokhela ngayi13 angeziwe kusukela kuqale uNtulikazi. Njengoba injongo kukonga ugesi nemali, abanye banquma ukuthatha inyathelo engabasiza kule nkinga.
I buy coal and then I'm using a brass tin to cook.
We avoid using heaters because we understand that heaters consume a lot of energy. We to cook something like the stuff which takes a lot of time for them to be ready.
Nakuba izakhamuzi zineindlela zazo zokonga ugesi, ongoti bathi ikhona indlela eziphusile zokuqinisekisa ukuthi ugesi awusetshenziswa mawala.
You look at first your appliances. We've got a program that is called the standards and labeling. When you go into your chain stores where you buy these fridges and things like that, you will see a sticker at the top that shows you how much energy this fridge or appliance use. People must, because in most cases that's where they are losing money.
Ngcono bungenye yemigudu yokunciphisa amanani aphezulu ogesi.
When you look at the geysers, for instance, most geysers, 200 liters geysers, have got 3 kilowatt elements. You can simply downgrade that 3 kilowatt element and go for a 1.5 kilowatt element.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi eziningi izwakalise ukuthi zinokukhuleka njengoba sekuphela izinyanga nje ngaphandle kokuthi icishelwe ugesi.
Iqembu labesifazane kuMamelodi Sundowns selizobhekisa amabombo eMelika liyomelizwekazi weAfrica emqhudelwaneni iWomen's Cup ezobanjwa ngenyanga ezayo. Leli qembu lizotholana phezulu namanye amaqembu omhlaba kulomqhudelwano.
Leli qembu lisebenza ngokuziqhenya isicoco saseCAF Women's Champions League. Leli qembu lanqoba nesicoco seHollywood Super League nokukholela ekutheni limenye emqhudelwaneni iWomen's Cup eMelika. Umqeqeshi waleli qembu uJerry Chabalala uthi leli ithuba elihle ukuthi bazibonakalise emhlabeni.
You know, it's an opportunity for us as a team to go and see how far are we in terms of the standard of women's football in Africa as a whole when you compare with other continents.
Unozinto leli qembu Andile Dlamini uthi ukumenya kulomqhudelwano kumkomelo omuhle kwabadlali abatshengisa ukudlala nabadlali abasezingeni emhlabeni.
Extremely amazing to be invited in this huge tournament and the first team from Africa to be invited. It's such an honor, grateful, shows that we are heading in the right direction. It means that we are doing something that's right at Mamelodi Sundowns.
The Mamelodi Sundowns ladies izodlala neKansas City Current eMissouri mhla ziyi-14 ngenyanga ezayo.
Mbukelo sathi siqhwe itolo mhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela.
Siyakwentokoza umbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangane njengoba sesimusho ngenamahloni ukuthi echali ngaqhubeka lisikhombise nje isibhakabhaka esihlaza Obusuku namhlanje sisho sithi ke noma sihlabela phambili siyobheka osukwini lakusasa singasho nje ukuthi lingasikaza ngamafu kakhulukazi ke enyakatho yaZulu Natal qhubeka nokubalela mawungena engxenyeni ke senkabeni kodwa ke ibe khona inkungu yasekuseni mawungena maphakathi nalapha Eastern Cape kanti ke sikazi ngamafu mawungena kakhulukazi ke lapha Western Cape ngaphambi komsingo obandayo ukuhambisana namancane amathuba emvula lapha konyanga ngogugu lethu uyongena ko Cape Galasi ngale koloko lingabalela futhi mawungena kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni esenkabeni ngapha ngasentshonalanga sihlabele phambili siyobheka ebusuku namhlanje kakhulukazi engxenyeni Ntshonalanga sisho sithi ke kuthanda ukubanda kakhulu lapha koSutherland uyongena koVustile ngale kwaloko lingakubuza nje ukuthi ke ungubo ngaki engxenyeni ke ezilapha Eastern Cape uyongena engxenyeni ke esenkabeni kube ngaphansi kweqanda mawungena lapha koBloemfontein sesiyongena lapha koZulu Natal kubande lapha koBergville komNambiti nokho komhlaba yalingana ko Richards Bay akuzukufana kanti ke sihlabele phambili siyobheka ke ikakhulukazi ngopha kwenhlamvu yelanga kusasa ngivumele ngithi ke futhumale lapha komhlaba yalingana uyongena koManguza ngisho ngithi ke mawungena kwezinye indawo ezilapha koMaritzburg lingafuthumala liye ngokuphola kodwa mawungena enkabeni kwelase Freestad uyongena lapha ko North West lifuthumale futhi ke eGauteng emini kusasa kanti ke engxenyeni ezilapha eMpumalanga emelo kanjalo nalapha komkhondo lingathanda nje ukuthi libe phakathi lifuthumale mawungena koMbombela uyongena enyakatho lapha koMessina kuthanda nokho mawungena Eastern Cape ngivumele ngisho ngokena mahloni ukuthi kohini koBhisho ngisho ngithi ngingathanda ukuthi ke libe phakathi koGrafu uyongena koBufort West nokho kuyabanda lapha konyanga ngogugu lethu ngaphambi komsingo obandayo sokhumbula ukuthi ke lingaguqubala ngokuhamba kosuku kubande lapha eFederal uyongena koCalvina nokho mawungena lapha kwaphindini lingathanda nje ukufuthumala emini ngivumele ngisho ngokena mahloni ukuthi ke ngiyayithatha into obene ubusuku obuhle
Mbukeli sibika lapha ezihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa kusaswa bakhona oza kwethu neindaba zesixhosa wena usale kahle